Good morning, students. Welcome to Standard 1 Drawing Class. Students, do you all like to eat fruits? Yes, I'm sure you all like to eat fruits because fruit makes us healthy and strong. Right, students? Now, can you all tell me what is this? This is a watermelon, right? So today we are going to learn how to color watermelon from our Art Express book. So please take out page number 10. Now let's see page number 10. In page number 10, you have a watermelon, right? And here you can see a watermelon is already drawn with dotted lines. So what you need to do, students, you need to first trace this dotted line with your pencil and then you have to fill color in it same as shown in the above picture. Got it? So let's start doing this first. First, we'll trace the dotted line with pencil. Now, let's start tracing the line first. We'll trace the line first with pencil. Do it properly, student. Use the dotted line to trace the watermelon, right? So you have to do it very nicely. Got it? First we'll do the outline part and then will come the inner part, okay? Student, you can either use crayons color or pencil color. Whatever you wish, you can use. But color it properly. Now we'll do the seed. In this way, you have to join all the dotted lines to make the watermelon. Right, student? I am about to finish this watermelon. I am about to finish the tracing right now and then we'll start with the coloring part. Got it? So in this way, you all have to do. Yes. So I'm done with the tracing part. Now the tracing is done. Now we'll start with the coloring part. Now student, let's start the coloring part. Here in this watermelon, 4 colors are used. Yellow, green, blue and red. Blue for the seeds. So first we'll color the seeds with dark blue color. Color it properly. All the seeds will be colored with blue. Fill the color properly. The color should not come out, children. Now we are almost done with blue color. Now we'll use the green color first. Okay. Let's start coloring. First do the outline. And yes, remember, the color should not come out. Okay. And try try to color the watermelon in one direction. Got it? So that it will look very nice, beautiful. So we'll do first all the green part and then we'll come on yellow part. And the rest will be done with red colors. So let's quickly first finish this part. Remember, the color should not come out of the line, otherwise it will not look nice. Try to color in one direction, children. Now we are about to finish this green part. This part has to be done with green color as well. Now let's come to yellow color. So the part which are left we have to do with yellow color. Use a sharpened pencil so that you can color it nicely. Yes, students, you can see you have to color in the same way, okay? So the first step what you have to do, you have to first trace the watermelon, all the dotted lines with pencil, and then you can use yellow color and green color for the outer part as shown in the picture. And the seeds with blue color, dark blue color. Okay, here I have left green color. I need to color this part with green. Okay, now this with yellow. Now, you can color this part with red. Don't color over the seeds. And let's come to this part. So the watermelon is about to be finished. The coloring is about to finish. Remember to color in one direction so that it looks very neat and clean. Got it? And yes, you can make an outline first and then you can do the coloring part so that the color does not come out. Yes, the coloring is done. So, student, in this way, you have to color the watermelon as shown in your book. So, children, you will follow your book. You can take your page number. You can take page number 10. You can look at this picture. You can trace the line with a pencil and then fill the color as shown in this picture. Got it? So, this work will be uploaded on your school website and then you have to complete this page. This is all for the day, students. Thank you so much.